Create a new expense item in seconds using any picture or PDF file. Simply click on Create Expense to get started. Easily upload or drag and drop your file. You can also use the mobile app to snap pictures on your phone while on the go. While we crunch the data for you, go ahead and assign your expense to a category and project. You can also leave a comment for the approver, or use this space as a note for yourself or your accountant. And we're done. Hit Create and your expense is created. Congrats, here's your expense. You can see the main info and its status. Click on the expense to see more details like tax, project, or even the comments. You can view the receipt anytime to check any additional details. As a manager, you can approve or reject expenses. This way, you have full control of expenses before they get reimbursed to your team members. Once you've approved and transferred the money to your team, click Reimbursed to mark the expense. This helps avoid confusion about which expenses have been paid out and which have not. The status has changed. Close the expense details to return to the home screen. Well done. Now give it a try yourself. Create a new project to book expenses on a project or your new client. Start by going into a project section. Click on Create New Project. Type in the name and confirm by clicking on Create Project. Congrats! Your new project is now ready. You and your team can start to assign cost to the project or client. Here, you can quickly see the total spend of your approved expenses per project. See how much time you've saved using ExpenseMonkey. Our mission is to save you time. From our research, we know that each expense we process saves around 5 minutes compared to a manual process. Select the project for which you want to report expenses. Select the status of the expenses you want to report. Choose Users. And now choose the time frame for the report. Hit Download to get your CSV file.